Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Meg wig by Jon Renau in the color 1426S10, also known as shaded Pralines and Cream. I mean, other stores call it Peaches and Cream, which is why we occasionally refer to it as that, so people can identify the color, but really it's Pralines and Cream because the 1426 by itself is called Pralines and Cream, so the shaded version is also Pralines and Cream. It's just shaded Pralines and Cream. So, all right, now that I'm done patting myself on the back, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this color looks like really quickly. It's a really pretty sort of soft amber blonde that has these really lovely highlights on top of like a gold blonde. Very pretty, almost like butterscotchy. Very pretty color, and the rooting on this is very soft. It's just a light brown. Now I want to show you what this wig looks like before I put it on my head, because I want to also show you that it has wefts in the back. About 10 of them. So this is what we like to call a 90% hand-tied wig, because it's hand-tied from here all the way down to here, and then this area here is wefted. So we've changed our listing on our site to reflect this finding. She is double monofilament here on top with a generous band of polyurethane at the front hairline. Very nice wig, well constructed, doesn't stretch much on the sides. We do have opaque felt. It's nice and soft here on the ear tabs, as well as at the extended nape with these Velcro adjusters here. I'm gonna let this one all the way out before I put it on, because I have a suspicion this one's not gonna stretch much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Meg on so we can discover what this one looks like together. I'm gonna shake her up a little bit, nice short style. She does not have a lace front or anything like that. Now I have slightly longer hair these days, so it takes me a couple seconds to tuck it up under my cap. Let me fluff this one, see what happens. Ha! Oh, that's fun. This one's got a lot of body to it. It will settle a bit after you wear it a little while and after you wash it a couple times, because it's got that hand-tied top. Eventually those knots are gonna pivot a little bit more and they're gonna lay a little flatter, but for now, right out of the box, she's got quite a bit of body. You can see Meg's got lots of cute layering that sort of flips and flares all over the place. So let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Meg looks like on all sides. It's a really nice shaggy cut. She does have some built-in volume up here. And here is that monofilament top. It's a double monofilament top, so you don't have to worry about your wig cap underneath it. Does not have a lace front. This one fits very true to average. This one would work well in an office. I also think it would work really well just for a running around wig. I mean, it's versatile enough that I think it would work for either. You get lots of texture, so I think this is really cute. The crown down is 6.5 inches. These sides are 2.5, and the nape is 3, which gives pretty decent coverage back there. My sideburn area is fairly well covered on this one as well, which is nice. The weight is 2.1 ounces, so she's very nice and lightweight. Is versatile and would be a lot of fun to wear. So this is the Meg by Jon Renau in the color 1426S10, also known as shaded Pralines and Cream. Alright, well, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching this wig review. Be sure to subscribe and check out our wig store if you get an opportunity. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.